Good morning. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And we're here today with another one of our Advent calendar teas. Today's tea is vanilla chai spiced black tea. That sounds super good. Super good. This one's got a tear tab. I didn't notice that on any of the others. So let's give it a tear. Oh, that smells good. That smells wonderful. This is going to be yum, 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 yum. Okay, let's let that seep for a couple of minutes while we see what this has going on.
I can smell it from here.
Yum. Okay. Vanilla chai spiced black tea. It has black tea, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, vanilla flavor, and cappuccino flavor. Ooh, that's different. So 80% black tea, 5% cardamom, 5% cinnamon, 5% black pepper. That shouldn't be a problem. And no percentage on the flavorings. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay. So yesterday's tea, the Earl Grey, was delicious all the way through. All the way through, I enjoyed it. And it never did I never had any problems at all with the flavor. I just enjoyed the whole cup of tea. So we're gonna let this seep for a bit and enjoy that scent. Oh, it's got big pods floating in there. That's interesting. I wonder what that is.
Oh,
That's floating in there. I don't know. That's really interesting. Cardamom, cinnamon. I don't know. Maybe it is the cloves. Oh, it smells so good. That one's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. I can already tell that's going to be yummy. I don't have very many of the sweatshirts that are Christmassy, so I tend to wear them over and over. I've only got 2 or 3 of them. So today is the first day of winter. So we can all officially complain about how cold it is because it's winter now. Which we've been complaining about winter for a couple of months already. And I'm like, it's not even winter yet. Now we can complain because it's winter. Our winter so far has been, our fall has already been weird. It's been warmer than normal, even though I'm whining about the cold. We've had snow and then it warms up, and then we get snow and then it warms up. So, and my understanding is that's the way this winter is going to be here. It's not, I don't think we're going to have as much snow as we normally do get. So that's, for me, I know it's not good we need the snowpack for the water. We absolutely need the snowpack for the water. Our ski resorts, I'm not even sure if they're even all open yet.
Yeah.
They've been saying that they have the last one, the one that's closest to us, kind of our neighborhood ski resort, barely opened at Thanksgiving. And normally they have a big time of skiing at Thanksgiving. It's super important for the economy of that ski resort at Thanksgiving. So the ski resorts around here really rely on the snow for them to be open. And that's been kind of a problem in this area when we don't get the snow that we're used to getting, that we need to get. Excuse me. So that's always a problem. But we've been getting rain. So maybe that helps with the water. I don't think it's enough, but it does help with the water. I don't know that we're going to have, they're saying we won't have snow for Christmas. We might get a skiff but really not a significant amount. So it's really a different environment this year. We do like to see the snow. We like to have the white Christmas. And where we are, it's not unusual to not have a lot of snow right now. It's kind of hit and miss. Some years we do, some years we don't. We get our snow, most often we get our heavy snow in January. So we'll see how that goes. We already have, oh, this smells so good. So good. Oh yeah, this is nice. You can really taste the vanilla in it too. Can really taste the vanilla. Can't taste the cinnamon so much, or the cloves. Thankfully, I don't taste the pepper. I never really expected to have pepper in the tea. And it seems like anything that says spiced or anything that says chai, there's pepper in it. Definitely can taste the vanilla in that one. I'm going to let that seep a little bit longer. I'm going to put that back in there and let that seep a little bit longer. I think this one is really, really good. Vanilla chai spiced black tea. I think this one almost, when I go and I get a chai tea, this is the flavor that I get. This is the flavor that I am used to getting when I get a chai tea. And often I get a chai tea latte, so I get a milk with this heavy flavor in it. So I think a vanilla chai is what I'm getting for the most part. This is really, really good. And I like it a lot. I'm really going to enjoy this one. Today I have got all but one gift wrapped because it's not here yet. It's on order and it's supposed to get here on Christmas Eve. I feel sorry for, when I ordered it and it said it was going to get here on the 24th, I thought, oh, okay, good. And then, you put your order in and it says expected delivery time, 10 o'clock at night on the 24th. And I'm like, really? Those people have to be out delivering at 10 o'clock at night? And I almost canceled the order just because of that. And I did not, and I still feel bad about it. And I want to have a tip ready for the delivery person, but I also know I won't even notice them. They swoop in so fast, I don't even notice them. So, but also I know the little thing says 10 o'clock, but usually it's a different time. And also it's USPS, which means it's probably going to go in my mailbox anyway. So I won't even, I don't know. I just think I feel bad when it says it's going to be 10 o'clock at night on Christmas Eve. That's when the delivery is expected. But I can keep an eye on when it's coming. And also, just because it says that, that's not necessarily when it's going to happen either. So we'll see. And that is the very last gift. I've got everything else wrapped. Oh, nope, that's not true. I have one more to wrap. It's a very odd shaped metal gift. It's a garden ornament. So it's a very odd shaped gift that I can't wrap. And so I need to go get a gift bag, and then that's it. But I need to separate things out and get things put in a box to take to where we're going to be exchanging gifts. So I need to get things are kind of spread out, but I feel like I can put the wrapping stuff away and get things tidied up. It just feels very messy right now, and I want to get things tidied up and put things away. Actually, I don't even know if I can do that yet, but I really want to. I really want to get things tidied up. So that's my goal today, is to do my best to get things tidied up. And maybe the wrapping station isn't where I need to tidy up. Maybe I can find a different spot to tidy up, and that'll make me feel a little more in control. I'm feeling a little out of sorts today. So that's what I need to do today, is sit here and drink my tea and enjoy this few minutes of quiet. I hope you're able to enjoy a few minutes of quiet with me and drink your tea. Enjoy your cuppa. Write out a few more Christmas cards, get those in the mail, and find a spot to tidy up. And that's going to make me feel better. Thank you so much for popping in with me. I hope you have a lovely day and enjoy this, the shortest day of the year, the first day of winter. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye-bye.